do have an unboxing for you. But it's just, I've been pretty taken aback by the news, and it's just had me in a bit of a funk, and wasn't feeling super great over the last couple of weeks, just emotionally. I guess we all go through that from time to time. So I said, you know what, I need to just get into doing another video and share with all of you kind of why I've been a little MIA, a lot of stuff going on, and yeah, just, I don't know, the news lately has really kind of thrown me a bit, but some happy things. We'll get into the coffee paper sub box. I do have a couple different sizes of subscription box. So I do want to open the personal wide with you because I have been using my personal wide planner. I've been trying to use a brand new catch-all from what I have been using in the past. I was using my classic size Happy Planner. It's this big and that thick. It's a full year, and the discs are large, so that's the size of my hand. That's how big they are. And it was always open on my desk, but then with return to office, I missed not having a planner on me all the time, so I tried a new size. I have other videos about this, but she's getting pretty full, and I'm using her a lot and trying to use her a lot, and always finding where I can update some things or what's working, what's not, and decided I'd open this with you. So this is interesting. It looks like this is a dashboard, but it's not. Vertical weekly, Sunday start. Now, I'm a fan of the horizontal weekly. I've always been. Is that noise just obnoxious on camera? Apologies. Ooh. All right, so let's see. August goals. What is this? Is it just August? Be interesting. So here's the month on 2 pages, which is nice instead of a month on 1 page. Yeah, so already the weeks like throw my dyslexia off. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Like, to me, it would need to be like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I guess you could redate it. These are great. Don't get me wrong. It's very pretty. They always have very nice things. Just I do like that they have the week circled up here. But the layout, I don't know how I feel about a Sunday start going across. On one hand, you like finish your week out strong, but I'm a Monday start person, and I don't know the format. Let me know, what do you think? Is that your jam? Is like that layout your thing? Or is that layout not your thing? Maybe it's just me. I feel like it's really hit or miss. Oh, July. All right, so it's the same thing, just it's really pretty images here. So you get July and August are the same month in the sub box. So you can start now. Try it out and see what you think. But the layout I like mimics as close as I could get to the Happy Planner layout. So let's see if I have a week that isn't written in today. Yeah, so I like that layout. This is just a simple Peanuts Planner cup. So Monday, Saturday, Sunday. That's one version, and then I'm trying to see if I can use that one, where it's timed. But that's really more my speed in terms of a weekly layout. Here is a dash, or like a card, where you can write your task, and then the amount of time you did it and a date, and it's wet erase or dry erase, which is maybe what this is, unless this is a regular pen. And it comes with a little timer, which if you're visual, this could be great, because on your phone sometimes you don't really get to see, unless you're staring at your phone. This is like old school This may date me or like show you what a nerd I am, but I like being a nerd, so I'm proud of it. But debate club, where you're like staring at a timer for a debate, like, does that not bring back high school vibes? And if you put a battery in it, you can set the time, and I guess it like ticks down, and you can visually, if you're visual, it's great. You can see how much time you have left. So you can pair the timer with like tracking your tasks. I'm more likely to use something like this in my habit tracker where it's stationary. I can always reflect back on it. But maybe some people love it. I love this. That's beautiful. It's like it doesn't really come across on camera. I'm looking at it. It's like this really faint pink. Does that say motif? Yeah. Yeah, recurring, salient, thematic elements. It must be motif. Built upon uncommon motifs and pattern. Yes, that's beautiful. That's a really beautiful dashboard. I like that. Okay, so the Pomodoro technique. Choose a task, work 25 minutes, break 5, repeat 4 times. All right, so that's the Pomodoro technique, which is why this little dash says Pomodoro. So 25, 5, 25, 5, 25, 5, 25, 30. It's a long task, but I'm gonna try it because tonight I have to study, so maybe I'll give it a whirl, and that'll be fun. So that's another dash. I'm not sure what the dash would do though. Maybe just a reminder on your planner. These come with highlight stickers, so that's kind of nice. I do use these quite a bit in my planner, and they're transparent, so sometimes I use the really thin Sharpie on these. So you got the stickers that came with it. This can be fun. Weekly schedule, undated, weekly. Not sure. What do you think the schedule is it gonna look like? The weekly, undated. Graph. Ooh, yes! Horizontal. Vertical layout. I love it. I love it. Monday start through Sunday. Time. Now you're talking. Every week you have a block. That could be interesting for like notes and stuff. I really like that. That's a neat layout. I haven't seen that from them before. But I really like that. So, undated, Monday start, hourly, weekly task, graph notes. That's the SKU, 3116965. If you liked it. If that's your jam. So really, it's almost like you really like one insert or the other. The SKU was 311194722. So, it's like you're a one or the other kind of layout person. I'm the latter, not the former. This is an interesting size sticky note. What? I'm not sure how this works. Y'all gotta watch me struggle with this. Does this split? Is this like watching paint dry? Oh wait, maybe I just took too many apart at once. That's kind of cool. I don't know what you use it for though. For drawing things to scale. Maybe it has something to do with the timer. I don't know, but they're long, transparent graph sticky notes. If you would use these for something specific, please tell me what you would use them for. I'll put this way. Tell me your ways, because I want to know how you'd use it. These little suckers, I always love these. Ooh, time block. No. Gotta get on board with that. August. Time block method. 90 to 20 minutes. Okay, focus blocks, 90 to 20, social blocks, admin blocks, recovery blocks. Variable. I'm gonna go ahead and say 120 minutes would be great for a recovery block, but I love it. Love this image. This reminds me of this really old photo I found in a bookstore once, and I framed it. It was like this old cafe in Paris, and there was like a woman sitting here, teeny little French woman eating a croissant, and an older lady like knitting, looking at the young woman, and it was, I don't know why, I loved it. I like art. I really do like art. I don't enjoy it nearly enough, probably. I probably need to go to a museum at some point with my recovery blocks. It looks smart. Yeah, love photography. Wish I got into it more than I have. So there's Talon Black, image there, graph paper, little timer, stickers, Pomodoro method, dash, and then quite a few weekly setups, which is super fun. I'm super pumped to try those. Let me know what you thought of the subscription box below. Since I get a few of these, I've been sending some things out to my subscribers. If you've subscribed on YouTube and you follow on the _Petrina Rose, I've like sent out some stuff very slowly, unfortunately, just because of things falling apart, it seems. Alright, so it writes well, but it doesn't feel like a Sharpie. It's really heavy. It feels like graphite. Zebra pen. But it looks like that would smear, or definitely smear and a half. Yeah, look at that. Would not recommend writing on this paper, but it does write nicely. I want to write on that. Paper everywhere and nothing to write on. Let's see. Maybe a little like to do. Writes well on regular paper. So maybe I'll take a look through here and see what I can put in. This is the personal wide. I'm really liking it, so I might start to look into ordering an actual personal wide size. But I'll put some of these goodies into that planner, and appreciate you all coming along for the ride to watch an unboxing and learn more about the cloth and paper sub box. So let me see. I can, if you like these inserts, if you made it this far to 13 minutes and you like this style insert, maybe for like a personal size, so I have this is personal wide, but if you like it for a personal, let me know, and maybe I can ship you out just a personal of the July-August inserts, because I probably won't use it and I don't want it to go to waste, and I love it for it to go to a lovely Planner Babe home. So mention it in the comments, or comment DM on Instagram, mention in the comments, and I'd be happy to comment back to you, and we'll go from there. So thank you all again for joining. Always a pleasure to have you to chat with, and appreciate you tuning in. And I did film some other videos, so we'll get them posted soon. I had an app for editing and it was not working for quite some time, but we'll get back to it. Anyway, long rambling over. Appreciate each and every one of you. I know we're all out here doing the best we can, so keep doing what you're doing, and I'm sure you're doing great. You're not alone, and sending lots of hugs if you're having a hard time right now. You're not alone. So we're all here to listen and just support each other. So thanks for supporting me and joining, and I'll talk to you again in the next one. Bye.